Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Nothing Phone 2A on the day 1 after unboxing. So this is day 1 of using the Nothing Phone 2A device, and right now I didn't install any application at this moment, so apart from benchmark application. So let's see what will be the overall benchmark you can actually expect in this Dimensity 7200 processor in this Nothing Phone 2A device. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And right now the initial temperatures of this device is 30 degrees Celsius, and my room temperature, you can see how much it is. My room temperature 25 degrees Celsius. And let's start with the benchmark test, and we'll try to see how much high score you can actually expect in this Nothing Phone 2A. So let's get started. So right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to 50% of the benchmark test results, 60% as well. So this is the overall temperature, so which is not bad at all for the Dimensity 7200 Pro processor. And I can be back after some time at the end of the test results. Then we can see overall temperatures of this Nothing Phone 2A, how much it is. But right now it's showing pretty good temperature wise in terms of overall. So it's not bad at all. So overall it's kind of close to 32 degrees Celsius, so which is the highest so far recorded in this Nothing Phone 2A. So we'll try to observe overall benchmarks, how much high it can actually achieve up to. And I will be back after some time. So here's a quick look at the benchmark scores in the Nothing Phone 2A, so which has got the Dimensity 7200 Pro processor. So let's look at the benchmark scores, what you can get in this Nothing Phone 2A device. So that's what I am trying to show you at this moment in terms of the overall benchmark scores. So how much high you can actually expect in this device. And this is my first time doing the benchmark test after day 1, after the quick unboxing of the Nothing Phone 2A. So this is a quick benchmark test results in the Nothing Phone 2A, so which has got the Dimensity 7200 Pro processor. So these are Nothing Phone 2A, and on the day 1 after the unboxing, which I thought of doing the benchmark test, and this is a result which I got in this device. So 7 lakhs, and you can see the temperatures, how much it did increase while doing this benchmark test. As you can see friends, overall performance. Let me take the quick screenshot as well. So this is overall benchmark test results in this Nothing Phone 2A, and the temperature maximum did reach up to 32 degrees Celsius while doing this benchmark test. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.